Hello friends, today we are going to be making potato pancakes with ham. Let's begin by peeling potatoes and grating them. The potato is going to be very moist, so we need to squeeze it out into a separate pot and keep the liquid. Don't throw it away, because on the bottom, after a couple of minutes, we are going to have starch, and this starch we are going to be used for cooking. Now peel and grate onions, cut ham into small cubes, and peel and grate the garlic. Now drain the water from the potatoes, and on the bottom we are going to be left with the white stuff. The white stuff is starch, and we are going to add it to the mix. So now mix everything together. The potatoes, add 2 tablespoons of flour, add the onion, add the ham, add the garlic, add the starch, and condiments, so salt, pepper, and mix everything together. Now the mass that you get, drain liquids as well, add butter and sunflower oil to a pan and heat up the pan. Now we are going to be forming balls with the mass that we got and placing it into the pan, and then pushing down a little bit with a spatula on the balls to make them flat. We need the width to be quite thin because we need the potatoes to cook from the inside. Now turn them on the other side and reduce heat to medium and cook them for another maybe 10 minutes. The potatoes need to cook from the inside, so you can take a bite to see if the potatoes are cooked, and then you can take them off the heat. The pancakes are ready, so enjoy, bon appetit!